Once you've successfully entered your network's page, you'll see lots of useful info pertaining to it, but let us begin with the basics. At the top of the page, you'll see the network name and its location. Click on the pencil if you wish to change either of them. Note that the specific location of your network is not important for general functionality, but may come in handy in case troubleshooting is required. Below that, you have your active node count. This displays how many nodes in your network are successfully connected to the internet, whether through a backhaul or successfully repeating a signal. The capacity displays a rough estimate of the average upload and download speed. Note that this does not update in real time, so speeds may vary greatly. There is also a total user count displayed here for the network. On the right side, you'll see band settings for your network, which can be edited by clicking on the pencil. You may also do a channel scan to determine which channel is best to use in your specific location. Just below that is a toggle switch for offline mode. This allows the network to stay up for internal network access in case of an external outage. If internet connection is lost, your network will still be able to communicate internally. These next two graphs are a simple overview of the network's usage. The large one displays the network's capacity and throughput over time. This indicates how much speed or bandwidth the network has and how much of it is being used. The smaller graph displays the amount of connected users over time.